So as long as it stays up there, that's the channel. So if we all look at this channel, this is a channel now, okay? So as long as it stays in here, we're still bullish. If it drops below, nada at all. If this can break 117, you guys are going to get a nice massive pop here. Anytime you see that big push down, if it comes back down here to test 1.051 and it does hold, these sellers will most likely leave and then start to make the move back up above. If it happens right away. If it doesn't, if this does not come right back to 1.17 fast, it's just going to pull right back down here to where we had it before, which is 0.9642. See it? This has to make a move fast. Otherwise, people will get scared, especially in pre-market, and they'll bail out early. So if this can reverse quick, this will make another push to the upside and start to really get some volume. Well, here's what you need to know. This is the only thing you need to be watching for. Pull back on your 1 minute candle. I've already got it marked here. You see this at 590?
Yes, sir.
That's your rock bottom. See it?
Yes, sir.
And actually, since it's touched it multiple times, it's 586. Under 586, AMD crashes. See it?
Right.